Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you NoBlu Vision Glasses review. So you might be wondering, what is the NoBlu glasses here? Well, the NoBlu glasses are non-prescription eyewear designed to filter blue light. Now, the high energy wavelengths emitted from screens like computers, phones, tablets, and TVs. Now, the lenses here come with a anti-reflective, scratch-resistant coating, and the frame is built lightweight for extended wear. Now, how do you use it? Now, according to the site's guidance here, in this case, you just need to wear it or wear them anytime you're using a screen or in a screen. Now, in brightly lit or fluorescent lit spaces where glare is higher and during evening hours, especially to reduce blue light's effect on melatonin production before bed. Outside of that, care instructions are simple. Clean the lenses with a soft, lint-free cloth and store them in a included case when not wearing them to prevent scratches. Now, on the pricing side here, the official site or official listing shows a stated price of around $69.90 discounted to around like $32.75 under on an ongoing promotion. Now, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, contacting customer support within the window if you're not satisfied with the purchase. Now, one thing worth knowing here is there's a separate similarly named product line like this one with auto-adjusting lenses claiming to correct near or far vision across like 100 to 700 diopters here, sold on different sites. So that's a distinct product from the standard blue light blocking glasses described in here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.